history. I'm like contemplating chopping off my hair, like. Hello and good morning and welcome to a weekend in my life. I'm hungry at the same time, so we're just gonna get into it. We're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so for today's menu we have bagel, and I'm gonna put some peanut butter, banana on one side, and then we're gonna fry eggs in pesto with cream cheese. Cut the bagel. Peanut butter. Now I'm gonna put on some honey on top because it's no sugar added. With half a banana. Look at her. Look at her go. So I would usually put this in the air fryer, but the air fryer is dirty. So we're gonna do the oven instead. When it comes to the eggs, you're just gonna fry it in pesto. I have pesto here. I've been really loving frying eggs in like flavored oils, like chili crisp, chili oil, pesto. I've seen feta online. I'm gonna try that soon. But anyways. Oh my god. Okay. Spread your cream cheese. Okay, so I've been trying to quit coffee because it just makes my stomach run a bit too much, if you know what I'm saying. And we're gonna experiment and we're gonna make a iced chai latte. Chai. This is a chai tea bag. I love chai. It has vanilla in it as well. We're just gonna do a little bit of hot water. Yes. Yes. I have like no idea what I'm doing. I'm just like doing things. I'm just gonna put a bunch of ice in. I'm gonna put the whole tray. It's like really pale. That tastes really bad. It tastes like water. It just tastes plain. I think you're supposed to like wait for it to brew first and then add your milk, which I did not do. How stunning does that look? Minus the bite, but like we move. We digress. Okay, so we're sitting outside because we're bad and bougie. Yeah, I added some strawberries as well to the mix. So plan for today is to detangle my hair because it's bad, y'all. It's bad. It doesn't look bad now, but that's because the top layer of my hair is fine. The bottom is bad. The back is bad. It is so naughty. I'm like a week away from being a dreadhead. Like, I'm a week away from getting dreads. It is that bad. It is that bad. Okay, I've been neglecting my hair for far too long. I've just been washing it, conditioning it. I have not been detangling it. I haven't detangled it in like a month. I know it's bad, but today we are detangling my hair no matter what. I'm doing it. I'm gonna do it well. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Trust. Anyways, this is delicious. Then after I do my hair, I'm supposed to be making a birthday cake for my helper, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. And I'm back! I changed into a top that I thought I could decorate. Clearly not. I literally bought this brush for this moment. It is a detangling comb. We're gonna make history. Yeah, we're gonna make history. Yeah. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and now I'm gonna section my hair and then get into it. The last time I sectioned my hair into 4 and it took me 2 hours to get through the one section. So I need prayer. It's taken me an hour and a half to do this little section at the back. Like I'm not doing well. I've been using 4 different brushes. Okay, this one is useless. This one broke. You see there's a missing. It broke. We can do it. I believe in me. I believe we can do it if we try, if we just push me. Yeah. I'm gonna do the second section of my hair. Okay, I'll see you in like an hour. I know I look so crazy right now, I know, but I'm into the second section. I'm not even halfway into the second section. I'm famished. My blood level, sugar, energy level is at ground zero. I need food, so I'm stopping for lunch and I'll be back. Guys, I'm struggling. I'm really not doing well. I'm contemplating just like chopping off. I look crazy. I'm like contemplating chopping off my hair. Like, I might just fucking chop off my hair. Like, I can't do it anymore. Okay. I don't know. It's not working. Today we are making a lemon olive oil cake with a chantilly cream frosting with peach jam. Okay. Sugar, 1 1/4 cup. Now we are zesting a lemon. The smell is so good. It just smells like lemons. It smells like summer even though it's winter. Yeah. 3 eggs. Vanilla. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1 cup of olive oil. And because this cake is moist as hell, we have 3/4 cups of yogurt. One and 3/4 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Most important thing is not to overmix. You cannot overmix. Okay? It's okay if it's lumpy, just don't overmix. For 45 minutes. Okay, so now we're doing the frosting. I'm completely freestyling this recipe, so a bit of butter. I'm using half a tub of cream cheese and half a cup of cream. 1 cup of icing sugar. In the fridge to set. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cynthia. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
There you go.
Happy birthday, guys.
Happy.
Yay!
Yeah.
How is it?
Very nice. Thank you, Jazz.
Okay.
Thank you.
Straight, so let's take the third. And I was like, all right, well,
That's fine.
Can you see my face?
Yeah,
I can't see your face. Can you move the camera right? Like hold it.
this way.
So why do you look at the camera?
Sorry, I was making sure that.
Oh, like this. This doesn't look good.
This angle looks good.
Okay. This looks really. 1, 2. Why do I feel like I'm doing so much?
You look like you're doing so much. Your neck is extended. You look uncomfortable.
Okay.
I'm not that short. Like you're hunching. You're like.
Oh, girl. Okay.
Oh, what you doing?
Okay.
That's it. Just
I
look
feel like I
cute.
want to end this. This is
No, let's try. Let's try. We can do it. We're influencers. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Good. Really good.
Oh. Feel shame. Feel shame.
I'll see. We're first cutting mushrooms, cabbage, grating cheese, green onion.
Water boiling.
You know I love her more. She said, ooh, ooh. Get together, okay? No matter where I go, you know I love her more. She said, ooh, what you doing? The illusion. Ooh, it's amusing. Think that I would love for the illusion. One kiss is all it takes. Fall in love with me. Possibility. I think like now you need. Never can say goodbye. No, 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 no. Even though we're waiting on you, never can say goodbye. Never know, never know.
That one's a carbonara and then that one's a cream carbonara.
Oh, baby, milk. I'm trying to figure out why you're playing games. What's this all about? I can't believe you're hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you see in her and seen in me. I can't say what's all just making me. Sing it, girl.
Kimchi, milkus, guys.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Incorrect. Oh god.
Come on, baby.
Can't wait for our kiss tonight. What'd you say?
No, it's too first 24 hours.
Right.
Way too early.
Rice
cake.
cake. Good.
Sorry. Don't want it coming across.
Oh my god.
You know.
It's just too early.
Yeah.
Too early to tell. Dive deeper.
Definitely.
Find more about you.
You know anything about that?
Yeah, that we are. But
Definitely.
so far, everything that I've liked.
Good stuff.
I was actually tempted to kiss.
We've got an assortment of chocolates here. These are Julians. You know Julians. I don't know if they're called Julians, Juliard, or like Juliana. Like really good seashell chocolates, like some milk.
Look at my hands. And my hands are fine. The hands are dry as hell. Mine are fine.
Look here.
That's my nail. Rat. Look at. Let's see your nail. Let's see your hand again.
Anyway, here we've got some cashews, we've got almonds, and we've got coconut biscuits. Anyways, that's the end of the tour.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, man.
I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in all the fools, breaking us down. They want to let us be. We belong to you. Na 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 na. So no, I don't want your number. No. Mine. I don't want you nowhere. No, don't want you. No, I don't want to give you mine. No, you nowhere. No, I don't want your time. No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub. No, I don't want no scrub. No, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can me. So just back to side. All his best friends run.
And a way to like display like still some lights in my house. I really like this.